As mentioned earlier, there's no magic bullet for the symptoms of non-bacterial prostatitis or chronic pelvic pain. Our program pursues a long-term fight against the causes of these conditions in order to permanently avoid pain and symptoms, or to avoid them in the first place. Since these symptoms are driven by causes that have often developed over months or years, it also takes a certain amount of time to get them back under control and to heal, similar to an open wound or a broken bone. There are patients who were 100% pain-free after using the trigger point technique twice, because they found the right spot right away and were able to treat it. Other patients need 6 months to be 90% pain-free, and still others are somewhere in between or may take longer to be successful. But the most decisive point for how long this program needs to be successful is set by you. It only depends on how disciplined you are in applying your daily program and to what extent you can or want to use our tips for speeding up. We also deliberately do not give you a precise time frame, and we do not suggest setting a time goal by which you want to be healed. Things like, I want to be completely healthy and symptom-free again on my birthday, or I'll be through with the program by Christmas, or I want to be pain-free again in summer, are actually counterproductive and only put you under pressure. As a first step, it is therefore crucial that you come to terms with the fact that you have non-bacterial prostatitis or chronic pelvic pain syndrome. Just like others suffer from migraines, digestive problems or burnout, this is what caught you. But you have control over it from now on. You have decided to do something about it and you will overcome it. That's for sure. Don't trip yourself by thinking about when and how long it takes. Much more important is that you have regained the upper hand over the disease and will not give in. You will learn what you need to do, and sooner or later you will win. This is not a sprint here, but a marathon. The first sense of achievement can sometimes appear very quickly. Even so, you shouldn't let yourself be tempted to do less. It can sometimes feel like 3 steps forward and then 2 steps to the side. The recurrence of pain and symptoms is very normal. In fact, you should expect it. All of this is part of a natural healing process for your body to gradually learn to be completely healthy again. In time, your pain will subside and you will become more flexible again. Maybe also more sexually active, and going to the toilet will once again be normal. This will probably also make you generally happier and improve your quality of life. But the process happens bit by bit, so don't put pressure on yourself. It's arduous as it may seem on some days. In the end, you will win, no question.